talayang semi-final na slot nila.
Jel Cayuna, very tall for a setter. 7-3 ang ating talaan. FEU on top. Bea De Leon, two-handed power tip.
Oo, ang ganda nung presence of mind doon. Merong gift na pinadali.
Side of Bea De Leon, may isip natin na maangas itong si Bea De Leon, pero nakita natin yung running attack ni Jules Samonte. Ito si Gopico, right in between the two blockers.
Down the line, hit on zone number 3.
Hekiliana, Ginoo pops it up. A running Remy Palma, dashing and smashing para sa FEU.
Slamming it. Spike, tingnan mo naman over the outstretched arms of the defender. Wala nang nagawa yung help side doon.
Siyempre, I'm sure you've handled many athletes, Martin, playing in their final year, and they ask help from you to give them that extra push to go out with a pass. Balik ang bola dito sa FEU. Heather Ginoo goes cross-court, and that's a point for FEU.
Dahil itong last playing day natin, during the last year, kakalugin pa yung team standings. If FEU wins in 3 or 4 sets, they would secure the number 1 slot. Lady Maroons ang magiging number 4. Kung 5 sets naman sila mananalo, ang FEU pa rin ang magiging number 2. Ang University of the Philippines, Lady Maroons ang number 3 at sila naman ang magiging number 4.
Sayang kasi kung na-sweep sana ng Ateneo. Murado, binigay dito kay Samonte, but Rem Palma read her like a book.
Oh, and wagging the finger right in front of that one-on-one coffee
Quarterfinals match dito sa Collegiate Conference. Cayuna, oh! Bea De Leon slamming it down.
Oh,
Inagawan si Cayuna. It looked like it was gonna be a sharp serve. Duremdes receives that one. Negrito tossing it up to Pons, who breaks down the wall.
breakdown is an understatement.
Pico, Pons was ready. Negrito, combination play to Chin Basas, soaring and scoring for the set.
They're putting it down and just...
Panoorin natin muli, block points, and they even increased their attack points, making it 15. They only had 8 in set number 1.
Oo, ito matatawagan ng overreaching si Gia Morado on that timeout, nakasagot ng 2 puntos.
Itong, it's very tough to get past the net when you have Basas there, when you have Malamanan there, and Palma at the same time. You have to have the smarts of someone there. Cayuna, one more time. Kanina siya pupunta. Pinili niya si Pons. Bernadette Pons.
Hindi naman siya pinahiya ni Bernadette Pons. Again, when Bernadette Pons is on the right side.
Morente against Pons and Malabanan. Regalo para kay Bongay Gaston.
Nakakarami din kasi Neo naman yung ganun, eh. With the exception, just gifts.
Gaston, tinarget si Pons. Pons will get it back. And Hernandez trying to save it, couldn't pop it up correctly.
Oh, pero ito na, interesting stats. 14 na blocks compared to...
Murado, Hekiliana, cross-court, puntos para sa Ateneo.
Oh, great piece there dahil again, yung timing dun sa set, kita mo, ang ganda ng pagkapalo.
Murado to Bea De Leon. Wow!
Leon scores!
Bigay kay Gopico, packed up by Cayuna. Duremdes to Ginoo again. Pinatalbog sa kamay ng mga blockers. Puntos para sa FEU.
Ito, Anton, match point para sa Lady Tamaraws. Ito, ang magbibigay ng kumpiyansa sa Lady Tamaraws pagdating ng UAAP season, eh. Yung killer instinct ba?
At tumama sa antena ang bola, kaya naman FEU wins this one at sila ay tatapos ang ating quarterfinal round. Pero kikilalanin pa natin ang ating best player of the match. FEU sweeps Ateneo 25-18.